everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you are new, and I invite you to subscribe. So I wanted to pop on here. I made these journal cards the other night on my live video, and I wanted to show you how I'm going to decorate them. So I thought I'd turn the camera on, and I ended up making 3 more journal cards. So I'll show you here. So these are the 3 that I made on the live the other night. These here. And then these are the 3 that I made off camera. And I love how these turned out. And so I was going to go ahead and decorate these up. And so I thought I would turn on the camera. So let's start. I'm going to start over here with this one. I'm going to move these out of the way. And I will try to list down below where I got all these supplies so that you, if you're interested in any of them, you can get them. But this first one here, I pulled out, these are some dried flowers stickers. They aren't real. They're, pictures of dried flowers. And so I thought this would look really cool on this particular journal card. So you don't have to go, super elaborate with your decorations. That's one of the things I wanted to point out. And peel this off. And I'm going to try to lay this down as straight as I can. There, I think that looks really nice. And then I'm going to ink that up a little bit to kind of dampen down the shine on these stickers. It's kind of the only thing I don't like. And then I'll just trim off. I have a little extra sticking off there, and I'm not too worried about it. So I'm just going to trim that off. Alright, so that's the first one done. And then the next one, I'm going to do this one. And the other night, one of the folks on the live with me, Kelly, had suggested getting out some of my cheesecloth. So I thought that was a great idea. So I'm just going to kind of plop it down however it kind of lays, and go with that. And then I have this little label here. So the cheesecloth is from, the grocery store. And then this butterfly and this tag, they are both Tim Holtz. So I am just going to put glue on the butterfly, and that'll hold down the cheesecloth. I hope everyone is doing all right today. It is a Saturday, and I thought I would come in and finish these up before I start on another project. Alright, and then that one is done. And then this next one, this is a Tim Holtz nest. And then I went through, I have this, the Bees, Birds, Butterflies sticker book. And I found a bird that I thought would be fun to put on here. So I'm going to glue the nest down first. And I'm just going to put it over there in the corner. And I think this would be good for a journal card that you maybe paper clip onto a page, or if you have a top tuck that you can put up on top. And I'm just going to put her kind of sitting up on the nest. Right like that. Right like that. She's looking out. She heard something, so she got up off of her nest, off of her little eggs, and she's checking out, seeing what she heard. Alright, the next one I'm going to do is this one here. So I went through and found these little frames, and I got these, I can't remember the name of the company, but I don't think they exist anymore. But I think you can get these on Grabby. And I don't know if Taperology has them or not. But it's a pack with a whole bunch of different size frames. And so I thought this would be cute to kind of emphasize this sweet little child on the chair. And this kind of reminded me of a hotel, so that's why I went with this little piece, the Lux Hotel. I'm going to put that up in the corner there. And then this flower, this came from one of the anthology sticker books. And again, I'll try to make sure to list all that down below. I think these are so sweet. And then the next one I'm going to do is this one here. And I just have this sweet little flower that I'm going to put right here. I think it goes well with the rose paper. It has gotten super, super cold here. I don't really want to go outside. So I think I'll probably be staying home most of the day. My husband and I maybe we'll go out to dinner later. We'll see. And then I'm just going to put that right there. And then this is a stamp that I had collected. I felt like this upper corner needed a little something. I mean, I could just leave the handle with care there, but I think I'll put the little stamp there too. So my style, I'm not like overly super fancy or anything like that. Kind of a simple, clean style. But oh, I really like that might be one of my favorites right there. Okay, so the last one I was going to do with you guys is this one. And again, I'm going to use a little bit of this cheesecloth. And this is a flower from Tim Holtz, one of his wallpaper packs. So now that I've gotten some of my stuff more organized, it's a little bit easier for me to kind of look through and find something that I might like to use. So I just got the cheesecloth kind of right there. And then I think I'm gonna just try to remember how I had this. Get it to fit. There we go. The cheesecloth picking out poking out. And then all these little labels, again, are just from the Tim Holtz, the different little ephemera packs. You could put a word there instead. All right. So I think, let me know what you all think of these. I think they turned out pretty nice. And so then they're blank on the back. I might add some tea dyed or coffee dyed paper. Here's some coffee dyed paper I did the other day on the back, or I might leave them plain. I haven't decided. I might actually have to cover them because I've gotten some stuff on the back, but that'll be easy to do. I wanted to add this video clip in to show you that I sewed around each one of these, and I added some tea dyed paper to each one of these. So I love how that turned out. And I think the sewing adds such a fun little detail. I did a zigzag stitch. All right, well, thank you all so much for joining me, and I will catch you all on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to hit that like button, and I love y'all.